Here is a water wheel in New Hamburg, Ontario. And while it looks like an antique, no, it is not. Was here to commemorate the original residents of New Hamburg. And it moves, but they have a stop on it so it can't go all the way around. Let's get a little closer so you can see. There's no signs or anything to tell us where this was originally, or maybe there wasn't anything originally. But over here is a retention pond in Falls, so I'm thinking it had to be around this area. Anybody tell me what this is besides grading? Well, it is actually protection so idiots don't fall in. If you look down here, you will see the fish ladders for migratory fish, and they get walleye, pike, and rainbow trout who will come up and will spawn in the retention pond. Quite neat. There's the spillway right there. And we got the sun out a wee bit. But you know how it is when you're out traveling. You got to take the weather that's given to you. We have a little bit of sun, kind of brightens up things, but it's very pretty.